Alright, thank you for joining me this afternoon, everybody. We have a severe thunderstorm warning here for DeSoto and Fletcher here in southeastern Missouri. This is for a 1-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds, alright? So you're going to want to watch out for this storm as it approaches you, because we're starting to see some more intense supercells pop off with this event, alright? This is the first of many. Today, we have an enhanced risk of severe weather for parts of northeast Kansas and northwestern Missouri. The main threat with this is going to be large hail, but damaging winds and tornadoes are both in play as well, alright? We have got a ton of storm chasers on this to show just how incredible this is really going to be. We've got Brandon Kopic, we've got Corey Gherkin, we've got Vince Welty, we've got the whole squad out there today tracking this severe weather, because it's looking to be pretty significant here for the Kansas City area, okay? So make sure that you have a way to receive weather alerts today if you're in the orange or the yellow areas, and even the green area could see some severe weather today. And if you're east of this, you're not going to see severe weather today likely, but you're likely going to see severe weather tomorrow. Tomorrow, we have another enhanced risk of severe weather. This one is going to be for parts of southwestern Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, and northeast Texas here. So we're going to be going live tomorrow as well. But this is really the very, very start of this outbreak, alright? This is the first severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued here, but I just wanted to get a quick update out to you guys, right? We do have a 60% chance over the next couple hours of a severe thunderstorm or tornado watch being issued here for parts of east central Missouri and west central Illinois, okay? So you're going to want to look out for that in that area. Remember, make sure that you have one or two ways to receive alerts that you know if any severe weather is in your area. But yeah, we're not going to be live here for very long because there's not that much going on, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. This outbreak has officially started now, I would say, with this severe thunderstorm here. Unfortunately, this specific storm is in a bit of a radar hole, and we really have no other storms to look at the minute. I mean, we can look at surrounding radars and see there's not that much going on, alright? Maybe some rain showers, maybe an isolated rumble of thunder in this whole vicinity, but overall, not too much going on in this severe weather area today. You know, just looking at all these different radars, you're mostly seeing nothing, but that will change, and it's starting to change as we have our first severe thunderstorm here just to the southwest of St. Louis, alright? St. Louis is in that slight risk of severe weather, alright? So St. Louis, you could see a severe storm or two today. This severe thunderstorm warning that we have right now is a radar indicated threat. That is very important to know. It is not confirmed that 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail are occurring with this storm, but it is very likely here, alright? So this storm is going to be approaching DeSoto very soon, alright? So get indoors now while you can. Got quite a bit of lightning in this area here. Let's see. What else is there to mention? Oh, we got that new radar scan. Yep, still some pretty intense cells here, but again, very hard to look at because we're in a very bad radar hole because the St. Louis radar is going to be out until March 18th, unfortunately. Here's something we can talk about. Today is the first day in like a year, I want to say, that we have a critical, or not, what did I just say? Not just a critical risk for fire, but an extreme risk for fire. In the pink there, from Hereford, Texas, back into Woodward, Oklahoma, do not do any outdoor burning. If you see or smell smoke, report it, because there is some extremely dangerous wildfire conditions out here today. We look at the radars now. Yeah, we could have some wildfire activity ongoing here, alright? It's very, very dangerous out there today because of the high winds, incredibly low relative humidity, and then also just the fact that it is, you know, what was I going to say? I don't remember. There was one more thing I was going to say, but I don't remember what it was. So anyway, let's just get back over here to our severe thunderstorm south of the St. Louis metro area. This storm is currently moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. So we drag this out. This could actually impact the the eastern St. Louis metro area. Let's see here. We'll go northeast. There we go. That's basically straight northeast and 25 miles per hour. And then we calculate, and these are all the locations that are down the line from this, all right? So we have got quite a few populated areas. We've got Hillsboro. You're going to be under the storm in about 9 minutes. Festus, you've got about 22 minutes. Herine, about 23 minutes. Crystal City, 25 minutes. Herculaneum, 26 minutes. Peevely, 28 minutes. Barnhart, 33 minutes. Imperial, 40 minutes. Valmeyer, 41 minutes. Oakville, 55 minutes. And then Waterloo in an hour. So this could impact, again, some of the eastern St. Louis metro areas. Hello, Mr. Storm. Good to see you there. Post an update on your channel. Yeah, I really think this is going to be a pretty significant event. Especially for the Midwest. I'm a little surprised the marginal risk of severe weather goes all the way down into northeast Texas. Because I would honestly be pretty surprised if we see anything all the way down there tonight. But who knows? Maybe we can see an isolated severe storm. The reason I'm going live now is because A, a severe thunderstorm warning just got issued, but B, is because I know I'm not going to be able to go live later because I've got a ton of stuff going on tonight. So there's going to be very little opportunity for me to go live. If I do go live again, it's going to be late tonight, but even then, it's debatable if I'm going to be able to go live again. So I figured, you know what, let's just get here now, talk about this ongoing sell here. The NAM is going crazy. I don't really look at the NAM. Maybe I should. Let's see. Regional NAM 12K. We'll look at the 12K. It is a little bit lower resolution though. Alright, yeah, they've got like a huge area of rain and storm sweeping through here. Again, it's not super high resolution, but it looks like a lot of areas could be impacted by this. So again, the main problem with this is that this is a pretty bad radar hole at the minute because the St. Louis radar is out until the 18th. Later tonight, we're going to be watching for more of the Kansas City area to get impacted. That is by far the greatest area to have any sort of a tornado threat, alright? I think tornadoes are very capable of spawning here in the Kansas City area tonight, just because these cells do have a chance to be isolated in nature, and if they're able to, these are prime time conditions for tornadoes to spawn, so you gotta look out for that. We do not have a 10% hatched risk. I'm a little surprised. I really thought they would issue one, but we do have a 5% risk. So if you're in this brown area here, you have a 5% chance to see a tornado in your area, again, within 25 miles of any given point. It's not just this whole area only has a 5% chance, but like Kansas City has a 5% chance, Topeka has a 5% chance, Manhattan has a 5% chance. All those areas, you have a 5% chance to see a tornado tonight. But again, this is driven by hail, actually, this enhanced risk. It's a hatched risk for hail, so we could see some hailstones exceeding 2 inches. We got a report of 2-inch hailstones yesterday. We also got an 84-mile-per-hour gust report yesterday out in Arizona, which was very surprising to see. But, oh, and there we go. There is the severe thunderstorm watch that I was talking about earlier. There has now been a severe thunderstorm watch issued for portions of east central Missouri and southwestern Illinois here. Let me go ahead and get the details up on X. I'm assuming that this is not all of the area that's going to be under it. Usually it takes a while for the entire thing to pop up. No, that is, so all these counties here, you're under severe thunderstorm watch now until 11 p.m. It reads a couple tornadoes possible, scattered hail up to 2-inch size likely, and isolated gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. So again, the main thing with this is actually the hail, but there is a tornado threat that you're really going to have to look out for. There are 3.4 million people in this watch, about 3.5 million actually. This does include St. Louis. It goes all the way from Centralia, Illinois, back into Village of Four Seasons, Missouri. So we do have that severe thunderstorm watch now. I really figured a tornado watch would have been issued, but they did not. They stuck with the severe thunderstorm watch. This is not going to be the big area that sees storms. It's going to be the area that sees storms the soonest between now and when it'll happen. You're going to see storms very, very soon in this area, but the worst storms are going to be later tonight, but that's going to be back in the Kansas City metro, so we might see a tornado watch or just another severe thunderstorm watch issued for that area, but this will not be the last severe thunderstorm watch, basically, is what I'm trying to say. We may have a little bit of rotation developing on this cell here near De Soto, so look out for that there. Again, very hard to look at. Oh, wow. That's a very impressive look there from the St. Louis radar. These are some pretty intense looking cells here on the radar, honestly. So let's see here. We, again, we're not seeing anything yet here. If you're in Kansas at the minute, maybe you're seeing some rain showers. You're thinking, hey, when's this severe threat going to pick up? It's going to be later tonight, so unfortunately, you may have to stay up later to protect yourself from severe weather tonight. But yeah. So, yeah, again, severe thunderstorm watch just now issued if you're just now joining us for east central Missouri and southwestern Illinois. We had 41 reports of large hail yesterday in Missouri. So again, these are the cells here we're watching. They don't look that impressive from this radar, but it's because it's so far away. These are actually some impressive looking cells here from the TSTL radar. And they're very isolated in nature because they're the first ones out here, so there's not really a high chance of a cell merger stopping these things over the next while. So I think these are honestly the storms that are going to be the problem here for this area and the severe thunderstorm watch here in southwestern Illinois. I think that's why it's extended out into southwestern Illinois, because of these little isolated cells right here. They could cause some problems. They are definitely going to be nasty. I'll just put it that way. We actually do have a special weather statement for Navajo County, Arizona here. This is in central Navajo County. The counties in Arizona are gigantic. Like, this county here is like the size of a state, pretty much. We also have a snow squall warning. We have a snow squall warning and a strong thunderstorm alert within 50 miles of each other, pretty much. But we do have a snow squall warning now here. This radar is only showing it as rain here, but over Pine and Strawberry, apparently this is snow. It's only radar indicated, so this may really just be rain. We do have some pretty intense snow out here in the St. John's area and the Snowflake area, so we may see a snow squall warning out of that, potentially. But anyway, let's get back out here to the Midwest, where we're watching these cells. I think I'm just going to look at it from the St. Louis radar. So again, these are going to cause some problems here later down the line, most likely. And, I mean, there's really nothing else in the area. Like, if you're back here in Jefferson City, you got the alert on your phone maybe that there's a severe thunderstorm watch. You're thinking, what the heck? It's a beautiful day. Partly cloudy skies, sun's out, it's warm. What the heck is there a severe thunderstorm watch for? Well, it's because even though you're not seeing anything right now, one of these little cells could pop up that causes all the problems later on. So, again, these are right on top of DeSoto at the minute. We may even see another severe thunderstorm warning issued for this cell that's a little bit ahead here in Valmeyer, Illinois. Or did I say watch? I meant warning. I think I said warning. I don't know. Just trying to look at this thing from the surrounding radars, because there's really nothing good, man. We do have some live cams down here, but they're way south of the severe weather. It is very warm down here in Advanced Missouri. You know, you're probably thinking, man, 83 degrees, that's nice. But it's going to come with a cost, and that is severe weather. the pressure is dropping significantly down here. So we'll see what happens. I actually do think I'm going to end the live stream pretty soon, though, because, again, right now, there's not much going on. And unfortunately, I will not be able to go live until later tonight. So, 8 p.m., that time frame, probably 7:30. So, again, these are the cells we're watching. And I think with that, I think we've covered the beginning of this outbreak pretty well, what you can expect, what's happening right now. We've even talked about the fire danger and the winter storm danger. We're doing a triple stream here. Severe weather, fire danger, and a winter storm. That's crazy. But yeah, I do want to thank you all for watching this stream. It's looking like we're starting off this outbreak already. Storms are not expected to pop up until later this evening, but here they are at 4 p.m. So if you see any severe weather, report it to the National Weather Service. But I think that's it. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.